So now that we've made our ready-to-use odor eliminator, we're going to go ahead and spray the area that we're trying to deodorize. So we're going to use this kennel as an example. And you're just going to spray liberally where the odor is. Get a nice top layer. And if it's a really heavy odor, you want to let the product sit on the surface and have a decent amount of dwell time to have time to work on those odor-causing matter, which is your feces, your urine, vomit. So we're just going to allow it to set for a second, and then we'll wipe with a clean towel and remove the product off. Although this is safe enough, we can let it dry as is, and it is totally safe for your pets to be around afterwards. So, just for sake, we're going to go ahead and wipe down. Now you get a fresh, clean kennel that smells great. We're going to go ahead and apply this product to an area that has an odor but doesn't necessarily have any pee or poop on it, but it has a little bit of a scent to it. So we're going to do a spray application and then just allow the product to dwell and dry on its own. So just cover the area pretty liberally and make sure we get good coverage. And all we want to do is make sure that the surface is moist. There's trillions of live bacteria in this formula, and they create the enzyme that will consume that odor-causing matter. So if there's any residual pee or odor-causing matter on the surface that we don't see, this is going to consume it and it'll dissipate. So while it's on the surface and has contact, it's doing its job. Once it dries, then the product's done doing its job. So safe to leave as is without effect or harm to the pet. Is a very safe product to just let dry as is. So, in this video, we're going to demonstrate how to use your Got Pee Odor Eliminator on soft surfaces. So we have cat trees, and any cat owners out there know cats can spray and leave a little bit of a foul odor on their common areas. So obviously this is a soft surface, you've got carpet, you've got cloth, so odors tend to stay on there, and this is not anything that you can throw in the washer. So good thing we have some Got Pee on hand. This is the ready to use pre-mix solution. We're just going to spray the cat furniture down with the odor eliminator. Again, a very safe product to use around the pets without any effect to them. I know cats are sensitive to certain ingredients, but this is definitely safe for both cats and dogs. So again, make sure we cover the areas where the odor is coming from, getting it at the source, freshening up the bedding, just making it smell fresh and clean inside your home. And that's how you use Got Pee. So we're going to demonstrate how to use your Got Pee Odor Eliminator around the pets and just demonstrate how safe a product this is to use. So we've got Clementine here that we're going to use as our demo. And we're going to take a ready-to-use solution and just spray the area where there's an accident. So we're going to clean up around where the pet is. Alright, so we're just going to spray the area where the potty is. Alright, and we'll just let that set for a second, for a few seconds. Allow the product to do what it does, which is consuming the odor-causing matter, which is your urine or feces or vomit. In this case, it's pee. So letting it there. And when you spray out, you're going to smell the Got Pee fragrance, which in my opinion is very pleasant, fresh scent. All right, so now I can only smell Got Pee Odor Eliminator. I can't smell the pee smell. We're just going to go ahead and wipe and remove with a clean towel. And now we've got a clean kennel for Miss Clementine. Oh, sweetheart. Good girl. All right, now we're going to use our ready-to-use solution on the playground equipment. We had our little model Clementine to show us that These are a frequently high-touch surface for animals, but yet this is something that we can deodorize and at no effects to the pet. So go ahead and spray the area. Thank you, my friend. And just coat the area until it's all moist and saturated. Again, we're going to let it have a dwell time of a few seconds to do its job until the only thing I can smell is the Guppy Odor Eliminator. Give it some time to work. So if there's pee that gets on the bottom of your dog's feet and they're tracking it around and they get it on the toys, this is the play guard equipment. So we're going to go ahead and wipe now, removing the product and any residual organic matter that could be on the surface that is trapped in by those paws from your beloved pets. All right. That's how you use Odor Eliminator.